What's up? And we are finally back with another YouTube video. It's been months since my last one. Lots going on. It's hard to shoot car stuff out in Ohio at this time, but we're working on it. We're gonna find more ways. Even though it's snowing right now, we're still going to a meet. I'm at Drew's right now. You guys know Drew. We're gonna head to this meet, even though it's snowing. First Cars and Coffee of the year, and we're ready to get it rolling. Waiting on him, but he got some new cars. So as you see, he has his new GTI that he got only a few weeks, maybe a few months ago. I know it looks pretty stock, but that's the whole sleeperness of it because it's not stock on the inside. He also has the Teggy in the back. We all know the Teggy, and if you don't know the Teggy from Import Face Off, I didn't get to go to that. But at Import Face Off, he actually won the two-step challenge. Maybe he'll bring out the trophy for us. He won this two-step challenge, and if you don't know what Import Face Off is, they travel the country, putting on these crazy meets, and we actually have one coming up. I think it's April 24th. We're going to be there vlogging. I don't know if the tech will be ready for this Import Face Off, but in June for the second one, it'll be ready, and it'll be winning. But yeah, let's get hopping into this video. All right, Drew came out, and this is the GTI. He's gonna tell us a little bit in a second, but we're gonna quick cold start. We're gonna stand back behind. And you know it's a cold start because oh man. It's a nice deep rumble right there. Oh yeah. That's the cold start. But let's let him give us a little rundown. You haven't seen Drew in a while because he's been at school.
How's it going? Yeah, picked up this GTI for a pretty decent price. Had a broken clutch, so threw in a clutch there, and I pretty much haven't done anything since, besides the exhaust, as you can tell. But yeah, she runs pretty smooth. So I've been tuning it a little bit with HP tuners. Trying to figure that out. HP tuners is pretty good, but their software, what am I saying? Their support for V-dubs is kind of poor right now, so if they could update that, that would be sweet.
But yeah, we're gonna be rolling out there in the GTI. You might not know unless you saw my TikTok about my car, but we got a feeling that the synchro is broken. It's a common issue in the Focus ST, so that sucks, but we're no stranger to pulling a transmission out of a car, so we're gonna do that again. I mean, he pulled the clutch out of the GTI, I pulled the clutch out of the ST, so we can do it again.
Check this out.
What do we got in the garage?
Working on cleaning up the garage, but
oh, I forgot about this.
got the old Fiesta ST.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I only got the old Mazdaspeed over here, but
it is high schooled out to the max, so I gotta fix it. Running back to the dead.
Jeez, I haven't got to see this yet.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. Right? Do this.
We love a good project. Oh, all 52 wheels on there.
Oh yeah.
52 rims. Tinted to the max.
To the max with stickers, dude. You should see this. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but so I bought it, and this dude had broken heart stickers all the way down the door, all the way up. I took all of them off because that's a little much. Yeah, a little much, yeah. But with the side skirts on, it looks so mean. But they're off right now. They're inside the car. But
oh, gotcha.
yeah, but I had to take them off to even jack it up because they're basically touching the ground.
Fitment is.
Oh yeah.
Fitment is there. Oh, did you guys have to like?
That was what the other guy did.
Yeah.
The rear quarters, kind of annoying, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to fix it up. So yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. See, as you can see, we got a lot of projects out there. Got the Teggy, which is going to be two-step champion in June. Maybe not in April, but in
we'll
June.
See if we can make it to April for sure.
We're still... Might as well. But we got a lot of projects going on. His dad has a new shop where his dad, I'm going to join in. We're going to start flipping cars, so that'll be fun. But Teggy is here. It's snowing, but that's Ohio. We're still going to the meet.
Oh yeah,
we're still going to the meet.
This is nothing. We had like 4 foot.
Yeah.
Earlier this season. Yeah.
When you don't get to go to car meets since August, you just kind of go for it. When they say they're going to do it, they say rain or shine. This one's rain or snow, shine or snow. I don't know, but we're still going out.
We got 2J.
Yeah.
That's a 2J ZGE.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
2JZ engine, no shit.
And what did I tell you?
When did you get a 2?
I found like the craziest deal in the marketplace. It's got a 2J and basically half this dude's car for like $700.
What?
I've got a whole storage unit filled with parts that he gave me. $700.
$700 for
Fully rebuilt too.
Rebuilt.
Yep. He was swapping an IS300 to an M54 and was like, I don't want this 2J anymore. Rebuilt it and posted it for $700. Everybody thought it was a scam. Dude got like 100 messages in an hour.
Jeez.
Ended up driving all the way to Pittsburgh to go pick it up. And the dude was legit.
What's the plan for it?
I haven't decided yet because I'm thinking somehow put it in the tag or get an IS300 shell, but then it goes in the same thing that it came out of. So
Yeah.
if you guys have any ideas, let us know. Because I thought about this too, but it's a Mazdaspeed, so it's a little bit too.
It's already
Yeah, because it's already got a turbo motor. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, I guess we got a 2J now, so yeah, give us ideas as what we want to do with that. I mean, I've been thinking about getting a gutted out 240.
Yeah. LS swapping?
Yeah.
That's a move.
Or
2J
swap it, because all you see is LS swaps.
Yeah.
We're actually going to see an LS swap in a few weekends in a Datsun.
Oh, that guy?
Yep. If you haven't seen any of SEMA's posts, this dude's a legend at SEMA, and we just happen to be 10 minutes away from him and good friends with him. So that video is to come, but we got our own 2J here. So many projects.
I mean,
It's going to be a fun summer. Don't want to get demonetized. Alright, we're rolling to the meet. We got Jake ahead of us. See, not great out today, but we're still going. Jake ahead of his GTI. Us in our GTI, and rolling the laptop. Drew put a tune in before. Anything you want to say about the tune, or?
I mean, I've been messing with this one for a while, and it still is pulling power because we're making too much. But yeah, trying to figure that out. But we'll do a flyby past Jake. Bring him out for a second.
Couple over the speed limit there.
No,
Yeah.
definitely not triple digits.
But you know, we gotta have the laptop here. Still working on the tune, but it looks mean when you pull up with a laptop. But on the way to the Cars and Coffee, we got no expectations. If anyone's gonna be there or not, we're hoping. Only about 15 minutes out. Almost there, but yeah, we got a quick tune in before we left. Still messing with it.
Yeah, flash the other one. But you can't do this though.
Ten seconds of that. You'll be excellent.
Doesn't want to do it in high RPM. figure out. Pops work when they want.
I look at this and I don't really understand much, but
This video should be titled "How to Use an Eighth of a Tank of Gas in 30 seconds."
using a lot of fuel right now in this tune, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's like $10 every time I put my foot to the floor.
Especially right now.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why I didn't drive the Civic or the ST.
Yeah. I don't blame you, man. That'd be a
What do you expect? There's somewhere.
Yeah. We dusted it.
We totally didn't lose in a 50 roll.
No, no. It doesn't happen. We don't lose.
But we're off to the meet. Yeah. I don't know if anyone's going to be there. We're hoping so.
Yeah.
The real ones will show out. But April 24th, we'll be at Import Face Off. You're going to be there?
I'll be there no matter what. Hopefully we
Yeah.
can bring the tag, but...
Tag might be there. You can still bring the trophy.
Oh yeah. If the tag doesn't make it, I'm for sure making a one-off tune for this. The Mark 7 for two-step. Like, hands down. I'm going to be in that competition no matter what.
We got to try.
Yep. But
Maybe we can fix up the Miata for a limbo contest.
Oh yeah. Take out the springs, just let it sit.
And then like all 10 of us get in.
Yeah. Fit as many people as we can.
Limbo and two-step winner on the way.
That'd be crazy.
But almost to the meet. Yeah, see you guys there. Pulling up on another.
He's definitely going to the meet, dude.
He's gotta be. Alright, it is the next day. At that very exact moment, I was recording the other GTI passing us. The camera died. And then we showed up to K1 Speed in Canton, where the meet was, and no one was really there. I don't know what we were expecting. We really thought people were going to show, even though it was 35 and snowing. It happens. But when the weather gets better, we're excited for more meets. Shout out to Canton Cars and Coffee and K1 Speed for having us. Canton Cars and Coffee still came, gave out coffee, came out donuts, and so it was a good time. And K1 Speed, brand new karts there. It was just a lot of fun, even though we didn't get to see anything. We still had fun racing the karts. The purpose of this video was pretty much to give you guys a look at what this channel is really going to look like over the next few months. So many builds in that garage, from the Mazdaspeed Miata, which we just have to do a couple engine things, a lot of cosmetic things, and that's going to be sweet. The Fiesta ST, which is a zip tie disaster, and spray paint disaster. So that's going to be a lot of fixing up that we're going to do, as well as the 2J we have, and we're just thinking up bodies that we could put it in. I'm thinking 240SX or S2K. Give us ideas down below. We also have the Integra that is we're going to rebuild the motor and bring it back to Import Face Off to win the two-step challenge again, of course. And more about Import Face Off. That is going to be a crazy meet, probably the biggest that we see in Ohio. It's near Columbus, and there's so many events going on, from the two-step challenge, the limbo, and just the whole meet is insane, and really a lot of people show out. So April 23rd and 24th, because on April 23rd there's a night before thing at 9 p.m. and it goes till pretty late, and then 9 to 4 I believe the next day is Import Face Off. So check out the links below for all of that. We're super excited for all the projects we got going on. We also got more things coming on because there's a lot of ideas we have. So, I mean, really, if you guys have any ideas, we're going to be making it happen. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in for this video. I'm going back. We're going to be working on cars tomorrow and beta recording that. So, we're going to be starting one of these projects and a video to be posted later this week, hopefully. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you next time.